OINP conducted a draw under Human Capital Priority Stream on March 7, 2024 and issued 2,104 notification of interest. This draw was a targeted draw and the healthcare occupations were invited. Only those candidates received notification of interest who had a CRS score of 352 to 421 in their express entry profile, and their primary NOC was one of the health occupations flashing on the screen right now. For example, physiotherapist, pharmacist, managers in healthcare, optometrist, registered nurse, and many others. So candidates who have received notification of interest have just 45 calendar days to submit their complete application to OINP. If you are looking forward for any assistance to submit your complete application to OINP, or if you are looking forward to apply for any of the PR pathways, you can book your appointment today and get started with us. Thank you.